Okay. Hi.
Hi. Okay, I think you show the disclaimer.
Oh, okay, okay. So we disclose a little bit. Okay. Video disclaimer.
So the contents of this video is only for general discussion only and not intended for any legal advice.
Not a client-attorney relationship.
Okay. So the law's office is located at 41-31 Main Street. Telephones 718-529-8881. Okay.
Here we go. Okay, good morning. We're honored to be here with Lina May to discuss the accident that occurred November 16th at the bakery on Casino Boulevard. A lot of the Flushing community is concerned about their safety and what will happen with insurance company, criminal charges, or civil litigations might occur. So from our research and from on e-courts, it shows that the defendant is charged with 6 charges, and one of those charges is D felony, which is about 2 to 7 years if he does go to jail, and then the rest are misdemeanors up to one year. So the Flushing community is concerned about if this crash is done purposely, will the bakery owner and the businesses next door, will the Audi insurance cover them? So this is a discussion in the community. So the bakery has to have their own insurance, and so does the businesses adjacent to the bakery have to have their insurance. If neither parties have insurance, then you can sue in civil litigation. But if the driver doesn't have assets or money, even you get a judgment from a judge, you'll get nothing. So the main concern is also the people that are in the accident. If they went to the hospital, you can sue the Audi to get the insurance if you were admitted to the hospital for any surgeries. So that will be a auto accident if anything occurred. And then the workers could get compensation from the labor department and from the bakery owner. They have to have insurance. So there's different types of insurance, and there's different ways to settle and to proceed with this matter, because this is a big situation that occurred in Flushing, the breaking news. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a breaking news. Everybody is pay attention to this.
So as we just mentioned that this incident happened on November 16th, Flushing, Main Street, Casino Boulevard. People are concerned with the details of this incident. So what we have based on research is that this incident broke out due to a fight over a parking spot. So unfortunately, the parties weren't able to come to an agreement, so they used physical violence to try to settle this issue. A party took out a bat and started hitting the other party, and ultimately that ended up with a white Audi running over the bat-wielding man and ran into the bakery. So it caused a lot of damages to the local stores and also to bystanders that were at the location.
So was this self-defending, right? Because the one guy came out with a bat, and then the guy that's driving the Audi tried to run him over. Was it running over intentionally, or was it for his own safety? So there's different sides of this story. So if you're protecting yourself, right, that's one situation. If purposely you're trying to kill someone and other bystanders, pedestrians, then that is a serious criminal charge against you. So before anybody discuss or think or, what is the consequences, what will happen to you before we take any accident, or any intentional issues, think about it before you act, because we don't know what will be the consequences in your future.
講多幾分鐘，8分鐘係最好，依家係5分鐘 ，3 more minutes.
The other thing is that accidents happens, fights breaks out, and etc. If you are arrested by a police officer, you have the right to
remain silent
and ask for attorney, speak to your own attorney. Anything you say will be used against you. So therefore, it is advisable that if anybody that's arrested, remain silent and ask to speak to your attorney.
So if anybody saw this incident or was at the scene that was part of this accident or was a victim of this accident, that you think that you do qualify to be reimbursed for going to the hospital, or that you were involved in this accident, please come and see our attorneys. We are very experienced in criminal defense, civil litigation, and auto cases and accidents. Or if you're a Flushing community company, right, or you own the storefronts, right, if you're involved in this accident and that you want to know how to proceed with your insurance company, you don't understand English, we speak Chinese, we speak English, and we can help the Chinese community with their legal matters.
Okay, that's their address 41-31 Main Street. Telephone 718-539-8881. 講多1分半鐘.
Okay. So this is the breaking news all of Flushing these past few days. All of the news channel reporters came on scene. And then the Department of Transportation want to also stop vehicles from entering Main Street. So if right now we don't have enough parking spaces and local vehicles can't enter on Main Street, they could have even more fights and more accidents. So we need parking spaces in Flushing for our local businesses. So if the transportation, this is a temporary injunction, right, until next month. So this is only temporary. So local businesses are going to be affected. Law offices, doc offices, grocery stores, supermarkets, shopping centers, and the elderly that needs to see their doctors will be affected. So if there's not enough parking spaces in Flushing, more incidents like November 16 will occur. So we suggest everyone that is a small business owner in Flushing to speak to their councilman, their congressperson, to advocate for these local businesses. We're suffering because of coronavirus. And if we do not have more parking spaces, or if Main Street is blocked off to local traffic vehicles, all small businesses will go out of business.
Okay, so thank you to handsome lawyer to share all the information with us. Okay, so we see you next time. Thank you.